This is LENOVO Tab M7, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to begin with, I will tell you that in order to do that, I'll use the pre-installed Google Drive app. That's the most convenient tool that, at least in my opinion, that's the most convenient app to use, since it always comes pre-installed or built into the system, so you will not have to separately get any other third-party applications, as well as, it does its job just fine. So why not to use it? In here, after launching the app, as you can see, I have to undergo a account verification, so let me quickly type in my password and we will proceed after that. So once Google Drive was launched, tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option, grant Drive the permission to take pictures and record videos, thus camera access. Once the camera interface was successfully launched, you gotta take whatever was the document that you wanted to scan and take a decent picture of this document, since it will serve as the base for, scan. Then, after that, you will be forwarded to the editing interface over here, in which you can crop the actual scan that will be saved from the picture that you took. So perhaps the original photo had some edges you want to crop off, or align the scan this time properly if you've messed up and didn't took a straight photo, which usually occurs more than it does not. In here you can also change the color scheme, so for example you can make your scan in color, mimic the color drawing, or make it black and white. So I'll just go with black and white option, then save. In here you can rename the document or file, as well as change the Google account and Drive folder that this scan will be saved to. Now you gotta wait for the file to get uploaded to Drive. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.